Hi there, this is Zaid. You might probably be struggling in your network marketing business and you really haven't made much progress or made much success in your business, and you're thinking about different ways to market yourself, to build your business online or offline. So if you're thinking of building your business online, so here's my 3 best tips for online network marketing. Alright, the first tip here is to have your own self-hosted blog. Alright, what I mean by own self-hosted blog is things like maybe Zaid.com, alright, instead of Zaid.blogspot.com. Alright, because that way you will seem more credible when you are posting your articles. Alright, when people are reading your articles, watching your videos, you will seem more credible that way. I don't know how it works, maybe it's just psychologically, but it works. Alright, so instead of using those free platforms like Blogspot or WordPress, alright, use your own self-hosted blog. Okay, you can get your own self-hosted blog through GoDaddy or Namecheap, things like that. It's really cheap, like maybe $20 for 3 months. I really can't remember the rate right now. Alright, so I say it again, have your own self-hosted blog, and as well have your own personal email, right? Because when you are purchasing your own self-hosted blog, right, you will be given that choice to subscribe to your personal email, right? For example, like my website is zaidnetworking.com, so I will have a personal email that says zaid@zaidnetworking.com, right? That sounds more professional than just zaid@networking.blogspot.com and maybe zaid@hotmail.com. That doesn't sound professional at all, right? So I hope you keep that in mind. Point number 2 is to choose what kind of niche you want, right? For example, you want to market yourself as a network marketer, right? So it's best to, maybe you might want to have a website that says networkmarketingsuccess.com, or you can just use your name and then you build your brand slowly from there, right? And your blog post must have a specific niche, right? Like I said, your network marketing niche, and your blog post must be consistent about that niche. Alright, you shouldn't like one fine day you post something about politics, about religion, things like that. You shouldn't do that, right? Because your viewers, your subscribers, your readers are visiting your website for that content of network marketing advices or tips and tactics, strategies, things like that, right? Right. The third point here is this: be consistent with your posts. Alright, I know I said that before, but what I'm talking about is the number of posts you make in your blog. Alright, I know great leaders online, like for example Ray Higdon, he posts every day. Right, most of the time he will post every day, and it's really difficult to adapt at first because it may be time consuming, and you do not know what to post. But the thing is this: just start slowly. If you're comfortable enough with once a week, then you can try maybe twice a week. For me, I started off with 3 times a week, right? Preferably, for example, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, right? Those kind of timeline, because it works for me, because at least I have a gap between each video, and I can think of what I want to say, or maybe do some editing and stuff. Alright, so here's my top 3 tips for online network marketing, and I hope it works for you. And if you really like this and you have gained value from this video, just hit the like button, or if you do not like this video, just hit the dislike button. Let me know in the comments probably what you want to hear in the future. Maybe you want me to answer some of your questions. So till the next video, see ya, bye bye.